Hi there, we are going to continue for our chapter 1, FIN358, Introduction to Investment. So last part we have learned about what does it mean by investment. So for today, we are going to continue the meaning of speculations and also gambling. So it's quite important for you to actually understand what does it mean by speculation and also gambling at the same time, and try to differentiate between these three terms, between investment, speculations, and also gambling. So I hope you already understand what does it mean by investment previously. So we are going to continue for speculations. Speculation is an investment that involves a higher level of risk and a more uncertain expected return. So it means it will tackle another level or another higher level of risk compared to investment itself, and also a more uncertain expected return. And this uncertain expected returns also means high return sometimes. So seperti biasanya speculators akan cuba untuk speculate the investment vehicle kerana dia mengharapkan akan dapat keuntungan yang agak tinggi dalam masa yang singkat. Walaupun dia tahu untuk speculations ni high risk akan involve. Okay, risikonya agak tinggi berbanding dengan investment. Okay, so normally for speculation, we also incurred whether lack or no analysis at all being done before they are making any investment decision regards to speculation. Seperti biasa, untuk investment, biasanya investors akan check dulu segala report atau analisa daripada investment banker atau dari company itu sendiri sebelum dia invest dalam share contohnya. Tetapi untuk speculation, tidak ada analisis yang depth ataupun mendalam yang dibuat untuk mendapatkan preview ataupun untuk kita dapatkan expectation tentang returnnya, right? Hanyalah sekadar bergantung kepada, for example, rumors. Okay, rumors. I hope you understand what does it mean by rumors. Of course, khabar angin ataupun internal information, maklumat dalaman yang didapat berkaitan dengan sesuatu securities ataupun share. Okay, securities ni included lah share dan sebagainya yang derivative yang kita traded dekat Bursa Malaysia. So for example, I give you one simple example. Let's say there is one speculator. He received a internal information regards to this one company. Katakanlah company X. This company X previously dia punya share adalah RM2 per share, for example. So sekarang company tu having some internal problem. Dan dia punya share price juga affected. Turun kepada 80 sen sahaja satu unit. Okay. So, the internal information is that dia dapat maklumat bahawa this company akan bertukar management dalam masa 6 bulan ataupun dalam masa 3 bulan dari sekarang. Let's say 3 bulan lah. And this new management adalah someone yang sangat berpengaruh dalam industri. So, apabila dia mengambil alih syarikat ni, kita akan expect bahawa this company, dia punya rating akan naik dan of course, dia punya share prices juga akan boom dan naik dalam masa terdekat. So, speculator akan ambil this chance untuk beli share yang ada pada syarikat X ni dengan banyak, dengan harga yang masih rendah, iaitu sekarang hanyalah 80 sen, for example. So, after 3 months, whenever the merger ataupun acquisition happens, betul-betul CEO yang baru tu ambil, take over the company, and the company akan boom, contoh, right? So, the share price akan naik dan pada masa itu, dia akan jual the whole share yang dia ada, okay? So, ini one of the example. There are a lot of situation that could happen or might happen dalam speculation. So, apa yang dia depends hanyalah rumors hanyalah information yang dia dapat secara internal dan juga intuition, sama ada gerak hati dan sebagainya. Okay, for speculation. Compare dengan investment, mereka akan buat analisa yang mendalam terlebih dahulu. And we go next to gambling. Gambling means betting on uncertain outcome and no analysis is being made prior to buying the security. So before dia buying the security, tidak ada sebarang analysis ataupun information yang konkret yang dia dapat, hanyalah based on betting. Dia bertaruhkan apa yang dia ada. So this gambling could be bukan sahaja dalam investing in share, forex dan sebagainya. Forex, I hope you understand about foreign exchange. They are actually buying the currency and selling the currency, and they get the profit through the differences of value between those currencies. Okay, so kalau gambling, most gamblers, dia memang depends on chances and luck. Okay, dia bergantung kepada peluang dan juga tuah yang dia akan dapat lah. So it's all or nothing. Itu dalam gambling. Termasuklah gambling yang aktif dibuat secara online di atas talian, ataupun aktiviti gambling di casino dan sebagainya, sama. Okay, just the same thing. Perjudian yang sama. Okay, so they are betting the whether they get the profit or not. Okay, sometimes they could get high profit and sometimes they could also lose. Alright, so this is a kind of different between the investment, speculations and also gambling. So we take a look on the schedule. So this is how you are going to answer if the during the final exam. If the questions ask you the differences between investment, speculation, and also gambling. So we are going to explain in terms of definition, purpose, time horizon, investment decision, and also risk assume, income expectation, and also sources of funds. Okay. In terms of definition, I hope you can actually define what does it mean by investor, speculator, and gambler. Investors, normally they are committing the funds for a longer or for a certain period of time in expectation for a certain return, okay, and positive return normally. Speculator, they are actually committing the fund as well, and at the same time, they are actually betting to obtain the return because they just rely on the rumors and information. For gambling, they are betting on certain outcome or depends on luck only. Purpose, for investment, the purpose is more towards to earn an income. So for investing, we are calling that such as passive income, P-A-S-S-I-V-E, passive income. So we let the money work for us, okay? We are not working for the money, but we just let the money work for us. That is the terms for passive income in investment. So we are going to actually hoping for some income in return. And speculator adalah income and entertainment, both, okay? The purpose is both. Sometimes speculators, they just trying to achieve some achievements or achieve a kind of challenge. If they got the information dan dia rasa information tu bagus, maklumat tu betul dan dia akan dapat high profit, so dia just do it. So for the purpose of income and also to entertain themselves. Untuk gambler is more towards entertainment. It's not about the purpose for income. They just try their luck, so just to entertain themselves. In terms of time horizon, investment is for a long run. So for a long run, at least for 1 year. At least for 1 year. For one period, 1 year period, untuk waiting for the return to be obtained. Okay, for investment. Untuk speculator pula, normally short term sahaja. Only within a few weeks, they hold the fund only for a few days maybe, or it could be for a few months. Depends on the situation. Untuk gambler, normally just a very short period of time. So once they roll the dice, they got the number. Contoh dalam perjudian yang real, kalau dekat kasino contohnya, dia lempar je dadu tu, dia dapat nombor tu berapa, so that's it. You lose ataupun you menang, depends pada masa tu. So just within a very short period of time. Okay. Untuk investment decision, normally for investing, they make a careful analysis. Yes, sebelum investor buat investment, dia baca dulu report yang dikeluarkan oleh company, the profile report or IPO, if you ever listen, the initial public offering being issued, okay, sebelum sesuatu share tu dikenalkan, okay. And untuk ni juga dia baca report daripada, could be the report from investment banker or investors analyst lah. Okay. So ini adalah investment punya kriteria. Untuk speculator, dia hanya based on rumors, intuition, gerak hati atau simple market analysis sahaja sudah memadai untuk dia speculate the investment vehicle. Okay. But for gambler, dia depends 100% on lucks. So dia sangat bergantung kepada lucks lah. Okay. Ada tuah ke tak ada, itu yang dia harapkan untuk gambling. Untuk risk pula, normally for the investment, risknya adalah low to moderate. Depends pada jenis investment vehicle. When I say investment vehicle, maknanya itu adalah jenis-jenis investment seperti share, bond, okay, forex, it could be like unit trust. Ini adalah contoh atau jenis-jenis investment vehicles, okay. Yes, vehicles, we the same spell like vehicle, kenderaan lah. So yang kat sini dia bukan refer pada kenderaan, tetapi jenis-jenis instrument investment, okay. Untuk speculator, dia moderate to high risk, betul. Speculation, dia have higher risk. Untuk gambler, dia memang high risk. Walaupun high risk, they will also get high return. And sometimes also no return at all. Sebab tu dalam gambling, kadang-kadang they call it all or nothing. Sama ada you dapat semua atau you tak dapat apa-apa, kan? Right? Untuk income expectation pula, dia lebih kepada moderate capital appreciation. So, dia tunggu untuk dapat income tersebut. Kalau speculation and gambling, dia rapid. Dia nak cepat. Apa saja return yang, apa saja modal yang dia dah invest tadi, dia nak dapatkan return yang agak cepat. Okay. So, untuk sources of fund pula, investment normally dia akan prefer use dia punya own money. Dia guna duit sendirilah biasanya untuk dia invest. Okay, dana yang dia ada. Untuk speculation biasanya, sometimes they could also use their own money, but sometimes they could also borrow the money. Dia sanggup pinjam daripada broker, atau dia sanggup pinjam daripada bank, atau dia sanggup pinjam mana-mana yang dia boleh dapat untuk guna untuk speculate the investment vehicle tadi. Sebab dia tahu dah dia akan dapat profit tu. So, dia sanggup pinjam sementara asalkan dia boleh guna fund tu untuk speculate. Okay. Untuk gambler pula, normally yes, they sometimes use their own money, but more like dia lebih suka borrow atau pinjam kan sementara untuk tujuan gambling itu tadi. So, I hope you can differentiate between these three terms. Okay, and we are continue to the next part, which is investment goals, process and constraints in the next video. Thank you.